I am Mohammad Abdul Majid, Senior Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Ire Patilejar School and College, Rangadia, Anwara, Chittagong. Welcome to all of the students to my online class. Dear students, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Coronavirus has grasped our lives, so we cannot go out. Government has compelled to stop our institution. In this situation, we are in danger, so we have to follow the all rules of health. Stay home and stay safe and to continue our studies. Dear students, I am going to start my class. Look at the logos. Are you familiar with them? Yes. Facebook, Twitter, Skype, Google, LinkedIn. They are the logos of Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn. How are they related to the field of e-communication? They are related to e-communication because they are social networking website and people communicate with one another with the help of them. Dear students, how are they related to the field of e-communication? Are you familiar with this person? Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, Mark Zuckerberg is one of the founders of Facebook. Are you familiar with this person? Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is one of the founders of Twitter. Now, these days it is quite impossible for us to think about a day without Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. So, dear students, our today's topic is social network services. Unit 13, lesson 2, page 168. So, open the book, Unit 13, lesson 2, page 168. Learning outcomes. After end of the lessons, the students will be able to narrate incidents in a logical sequence, read intensively and extensively, ask and answer questions, choose the best answer from the alternatives, make WH format questions, tell the meaning of some new words. Dear students, I want to discuss the passage by using the related picture, which will help you understand the passage. The internet technology has helped design a large number of websites to facilitate social relations among people around the world. These are known as social networking services or social networks or social media. At present, Facebook is the most popular social media site. Google, Twitter and LinkedIn, etc. are other frequently used social services. Social network services are web-based and hence provide ways for the users interact through the internet. These services make it possible to connect people, sharing interest and activists across the borders, and thus have made the users to feel that they really live in a global village. Why are social networks expanding so fast? The answer is simple. Most of the social services are cost free. You can make use of them free, paying very little to your internet service provider. Secondly, you can make your personal profile public before the entire online community. It is like presenting yourself before the entire world. You can also look into other people's profile if you are interested. It is simple and easy. Thirdly, social networks allow users to upload pictures, multimedia contents, and modify their profile. Some services like Facebook allow users to update their profiles. Fourthly, networks allow users to post blog entries. User profiles have a section dedicated to comments from friends and other users. Finally, dear students, there are privacy protection measures too. A user himself or herself decides about the number of visitors or viewers and what information should be shared with others. Let's know some words with their meaning and make sentences. Technology, the science of industrial arts. Can you make a sentence by using the word technology? Yes, the internet technology has developed social relations among people around the world. A mark, move out or away from something becomes visible. Internet technology has emerged with a lot of websites. Frequently. Frequently means regularly or habitually. Facebook, Twitter, etc. are frequently used social networks. Interact. Act in such way as to have an effect on each other. Social network services provide ways for the users to interact through the internet. Community. A short biographical sketch. We can make our profile public before the entire online community. Multimedia, using more than one medium of expression. Social networks allow users to upload pictures and multimedia content. Dedicate, to give all your attention and effort to one particular thing. There is a dedicated section for comments from friends on social networks. Update, make something more modern by adding some new things. The internet technology has updated our life. Dear students, I want to ask you some questions. You will try to give the answer. What do you understand by social networks? Social networks are websites that facilitate to establish and improve social relations among people around the world. What are some uses of social networks? The users can interact through the internet. These services make it possible to connect people sharing interests, opinions, and activities across the borders. These services have made the users feel that they really live in a global village. Do you agree with this view? Why or why not? Dear students, you can write your notebook or take screenshots. Make a list of the arguments as to why social networks are expanding so fast. Why do you think this is happening? This question is the most important for the exam. Social networks are expanding so fast because they are cost-free or low cost. Users can make profile public and update profile. Users can share interest and activities about the world. Social networks allow users to upload pictures, multimedia contents, and viewers can comment on profile. There are also privacy protection measures. My view, if more facilities are added in future, their demand will be increased. Choose the best answer. You can try to give answer. The dash technology has made the social network sites to emerge. LinkedIn, Google, Internet, Twitter, Internet. Users have to pay for their online connections. User accounts have dash protection measures, virus, identity, personal secrecy, network, personal secrecy. User profiles have a section for other remarks, outsiders editings, outsiders moderation, outsiders uploading, others remarks. Look at the following edit from the Wikipedia. It shows some data on worldwide use of social network. You can follow your textbook. That social network is the most popular. Which social network is the most popular? Facebook is the most popular social network. How individual users use Facebook? 793 million. Which part of the world is Facebook mostly used in? Worldwide, it is popular worldwide among the individual users. Which social network is least popular? How many individual users use MySpace? How individual users use Google? Which part of the world is MySpace mostly used? Which social network covers Asia and Europe? Dear students, I will give you a homework. You can write your notebook. Social networking has not only positive impact but also has negative impact on the society. Do you agree about it? Why? Why not? Thank you all of the students. I want to say again, stay home, stay safe, and to continue the studies. Thank you.